Smooth muscle physiology. In this session, we will discuss smooth muscle physiology in detail. The smooth muscles, obviously the muscle where there is observed no striations. Hence we call them as the smooth muscles. These are smaller than skeletal muscles. They must able to contact to provide motility to an organ or change its dimension. Few mitochondria mainly depends on anaerobic glycolysis needs to be able to sustain prolonged tonic contraction with energy economy. When we see the structure of the smooth muscles have actin and myosin, two myofilaments arranged differently to skeletal muscle. The filaments are longer than in skeletal muscle and are densely packed. Two times as much actin and tropomyosin as in skeletal muscle. This is the basic two differences from smooth from skeletal muscle. In smooth, filaments are longer than in skeletal muscle and are densely packed. And second, two times much actin and tropomyosin as in skeletal muscle. The myosin is one fourth of the skeletal muscle, and since there is no troponin. These are the basic differences from skeletal muscle. This is the some oblique arrangement of sarcomeres in smooth muscle. In A, there is a relaxed smooth muscle fibers, while in B, there is a contracted smooth muscle fibers. When you see the smooth muscle arrangements of myofilaments, this is a typical arrangement of the smooth muscle myofilaments is seen in this diagram. When we see the cytoskeleton, instead of thread lines, have dense bodies in cytosol and plasma membrane. The dense bodies serve as attachment points for thin filaments. The cytoskeleton consists of alpha actinin. Intermediate filaments provide scaffolding. This is the arrangement of sarcoplasmic reticulum which is seen in smooth muscle. The arrangement of membranes. There are seen no T tribbles. The cavoli increase surface area and may be sites for voltage gated calcium channels. Rudimentary sarcoplasmic reticulum is a store for calcium. Membrane has ryanodine receptor and IP3 receptor. When we see the cell to cell contacts, the specialized contacts between cells allow for mechanical linking and communication between the cells. The smooth muscle cells anatomically arranged in series. The many fibers activated simultaneously in smooth muscle. When you see the cell to cell contacts, four general types of cell to cell contacts are observed in smooth muscle. Simple opposition, intermediate contacts, desmosomes, and gap junctions. The first three types serve as mechanical junctions to transmit mechanical forces between cells, while the fourth gap junctions provide cytoplasmic continuity between cells and thus allow chemical and electrical signals to pass between adjacent cells. These are observed in this diagram cell to cell contacts respectively for mechanical junction, contractile proteins, dense bodies, gap junctions and intermediate filaments are seen in this diagram. When you see this classification of the smooth muscles, there are either single unit or multi-unit, either phasic or tonic. In GIT or urogenital, we observe phasic, while tonic are seen in vascular smooth muscle and respiratory muscle. When you see the single unit of smooth muscle, a syncytium, that means a mass of interconnected fibers aggregated into sheets of bundles. It contacts as a single unit. The cell membrane of the fibers is adherent at several points to allow for transmission of force. The gap junctions that allow free flow of ions through the muscle sheet for rapid excitation. Examples are like viscera, blood vessels, and uterus, where this is observed. This is a figure or diagram, single unit smooth muscle. When you see the multi-unit smooth muscle consists of discrete smooth muscle fibers. Each fiber has insulating outer covering of collagen fibrils and glycoproteins. Not electromechanically coupled, these are usually do not exhibit spontaneous contractions. They resemble skeletal muscle, but contractions may be tonic and 10 times as long. Examples: these multi smooth muscles are observed in ciliary muscles of the eye, muscles of iris, and piloerector muscles. That means of here. This is the figure or diagram showing these multi-unit smooth muscles. That means in conclusion, the single unit smooth muscles are seen at viscera, blood vessels, uterus, etc. While the multi-unit smooth muscle, the examples are ciliary muscles of the eye, muscles of iris, and piloerector muscles, etc.